Episode 3, At the Café, Ordering Food and Drinks. Welcome to LearnCast English. In this episode, you'll learn how to order food and drinks, ask questions at a cafe, and answer like a native speaker. Perfect for beginners. Let's get started. I'll count to 3. I'll wait for you. Part 1. Basic phrases for ordering. At a cafe, we usually say, "I'd like a coffee, please." "Can I have a sandwich, please?" "I'll have a tea." "A glass of water, please." "I want a muffin." Let's practice. What do you say when you want a coffee? 1, 2, 3. Say, "I'd like a coffee, please." What do you say when you want a sandwich? 1. Say, "Can I have a sandwich, please?" What do you say when you want a tea? Say, "I'll have a tea." How do you ask for water? Say, "A glass of water, please." How do you ask for a muffin? "I want a muffin." Exercise. Basic ordering. How do you ask for a coffee politely? Correct answer, "I'd like a coffee, please." How do you say you want water? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer, "A glass of water, please." Part 2. Asking about the menu. What do you say when you want to know what they have? 1, 2. Say, "What do you have?" What do you say when you want to know what's available? 1. Say, "What's on the menu?" How do you ask for vegetarian food? Do you have any vegetarian options? How do you ask if food is spicy? Say, "Is this spicy?" What do you say when you want a suggestion? 1, 2, 3. Say, "What do you recommend?" Exercise. Asking about menu. How do you ask what food is available? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer. What's on the menu? How do you ask if the food is spicy? 1. Correct answer. Is this spicy? Part 3. Answering menu questions. We have coffee, tea, and juice. Today's special is chicken sandwich. No, it's not spicy. Yes, we have vegetarian pizza. I recommend the pasta. Let's repeat some of them. How do you say they have drinks? 1, 2, 3. Say we have coffee, tea, and juice. How do you tell the special of the day? 1, 3. Say today's special is chicken sandwich. How do you say the food is not spicy? 1. No, it's not spicy. How do you confirm vegetarian food is available? Yes, we have vegetarian pizza. How do you suggest a dish? Say, "I recommend the pasta." Exercise. Answering menu questions. How do you say today's special is a chicken sandwich? Correct answer. Today's special is chicken sandwich. What do you say to recommend something? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer. I recommend the pasta. Part 4. Ordering more than one item. I'd like a coffee and a muffin. Can I have a tea and a sandwich? I'll have a juice and a slice of cake. I want 2 coffees and 1 cookie. Let's practice. How do you ask for a coffee and a muffin? 1, 2, 3. Say, "I'd like a coffee and a muffin." How do you ask for a tea and a sandwich? 1, 2, 3. Say, "Can I have a tea and a sandwich?" How do you say you want juice and cake? 1, 2, 3. Say, "I'll have a juice and a slice of cake." How do you ask for 2 coffees and a cookie? Say, "I want 2 coffees and 1 cookie." Exercise. Ordering more than one. You want a coffee and a muffin. What do you say? 1, 2. Correct answer. I'd like a coffee and a muffin. You want a juice and a slice of cake? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer. I'll have a juice and a slice of cake. Part 5. Problems and complaints. "Excuse me, this is not what I ordered. Sorry, I asked for no sugar." "Can I speak to the manager? This is cold." "Can you heat it up, please?" "I think there's a mistake in the bill." Let's repeat. What do you say if your order is wrong? 1, 2, 3. Say, "Excuse me, this is not what I ordered." How do you say you didn't want sugar? 1, 2. Say, "Sorry, I asked for no sugar." How do you ask for the manager? 1, 2, 3. Say, can I speak to the manager? What do you say when the food is cold? 1. This is cold. Can you heat it up, please? How do you mention a mistake in the bill? 1, 2, 3. Say, I think there's a mistake in the bill. Exercise. Problems at the cafe. The order is wrong. What do you say? 2, 3. Correct answer. This is not what I ordered. The food is cold. What can you say? 1, 3. Correct answer. This is cold. Can you heat it up, please? Part 6. Paying the bill. Can I get the bill, please? How much is it? Can I pay by card? Here's the money. Keep the change. Let's practice. How do you ask for the bill? 1. Say, can I get the bill, please? How do you ask how much it is? 1. How much is it? How do you ask to pay by card? Can I pay by card? How do you say you're giving the money? Here's the money. What do you say if you want to give a tip? Keep the change. Exercise. Paying the bill. How do you ask for the bill? Correct answer. Can I get the bill, please? You want to give a tip? What do you say? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer. Keep the change. Part 7. Full conversation. Let's listen to a short conversation in a cafe. Then we will repeat it together. Hello, what can I get you today? Customer, hi, I'd like a coffee and a muffin, please. Sure. Anything else? No, that's all. How much is it? That will be $5. Here you go. Keep the change. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. Now, let's practice the conversation together. You. Say, hi, I'd like a coffee and a muffin, please. 1, 2, 3. Say, no, that's all. How much is it? Here you go. Keep the change. Part 8. Quick review. Let's review some useful phrases. Say, I'd like a tea, please. What do you have? Is this spicy? Can I get the bill, please? Keep the change. Part 9. Final quiz. Let's test everything with a quick final quiz. Question 1. How do you ask politely for a drink? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer. I'd like a drink, please. Question 2. You want to know if something is spicy. What do you say? 1, 2. Answer. Is this spicy? Question 3. You want to pay. What do you say? Correct answer. Can I get the bill, please? Question 4. You didn't get what you ordered. What do you say? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer. This is not what I ordered. Question 5. You want to give a tip. What do you say? 1, 2, 3. Correct answer. Keep the change. Part 10. Wrap up. Wrap up. Well done. Today you learned how to order food and drinks, ask about the menu, handle problems, pay politely, and speak confidently in a cafe. Practice this episode again to improve your listening and speaking skills. You're doing great. That's it for today's episode. Now you can walk into a cafe and order like a pro. Remember, the more you listen, the more confident you become. Practice makes perfect. So feel free to replay this episode anytime. Next episode, we're going shopping. You'll learn how to ask for prices, sizes, and make the best deals in English. Don't forget to follow LearnCast English so you never miss a new episode. And if you enjoyed this one, give it a like, share it with your friends, and keep learning. See you next time.